What is going on, guys? It is yours truly, Tyler Reeds, also known as Trillis T for them internet warriors. Today I am in my studio for the first time in a long time, and I thought I'd show you it because it's behind the scenes. It's cool. I always like to see my true person I love in there behind the scenes. And then I'll tell you guys some stuff about what I want to do with hair videos later. But first, this. So that's the camera. This is a brand new camera that shoots in 4K. I'm really excited to make a video. There's my dog. But you'd see this perspective if you're watching one of my YouTube hair videos. And then this is all my art. Obviously, I got some stuff to clean up as well. I sell all this stuff on Etsy. Links are below. If you are curious, want a piece of Tyler for your house, you know what, man, I can hook you up. So I was going to tell you about hair. I am back from Big Sky, Montana. I worked there for the season for 6 months, and now the winter season's done. It is spring. It is April 29th, and I'm here. So what I want to do for this channel is I want to make some hair videos on my time here. Because I got about a month in North Dakota, then I'm going to jump on my Harley and go to the West Coast. I'm going to film that on GoPros and other cameras and upload that onto YouTube as well. But during that meantime, I want to make something for my hair dudes because, you know, I love you too. Not just my travel dudes, but my hair dudes as well. I was thinking maybe doing some like videos about why conditioners are amazing, why you need to use conditioners. What else? There's another one. The negatives of highlights, because I got my hair highlighted, and I got some choice words to be spoken about that. So those are just a few videos. If you have any more, leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear about your ideas and compare them with mine. Maybe we can get a video. But until then, thank you for watching. That is my studio in my basement. There we go. Peace out, dudes.